One serious we no go gree waka don shele for Abuja as plenty youths gather for EFCC headquarters. They shout make them release Martins innocent Otse wey people sabi as VeryDarkMan VDM sharp sharp. Una go remember say on Friday, May 2nd, 2025, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC corner and arrest Martins innocent Otse for front of one branch of Guaranty Trust Bank GTB. Now this one come spark plenty tori wey lead to the we no go gree waka wey they call for the release of VDM. For the we no go gree waka, them carry placards and they chant say the arrest not pure and he get political hand inside. Them they demand say make everything they clear and fair and say make EFCC not just they use power anyhow.
We are not happy. You didn't do anything wrong. Don't punish the one. Don't punish the one. If you people say they committed an offense, oh yeah, show us proof, show us evidence. Release it, let us see.
This is to silence Nigeria and we cannot in any way accept it.
Nigeria has gotten to a point that we trust VeryDarkMan more than even our president.
The EFCC kidnapped VeryDarkMan in collaboration with the Guaranty Trust Bank. EFCC now don't kidnap us, so I don't kidnap VeryDarkMan. EFCC chairman, carry Yaya Bello and give us VDM. Carry Yaya Bello and give us VDM. Yaya Bello na thief. VDM not thief anybody money. Oh.
We want freedom to be free because we need justice. VDM is a criminal. He's a fraudster. He's an activist. He's supposed to be arrested. Why would they arrest him? For what reason? The EFCC tell us the reason why he was arrested. What charge is leveled against him? We need justice. As well as we need justice. It's time for us to stand for our rights and fight for ourselves. VDM will be free today. If we're going to fight them.
Of course, it's not my news that the judiciary has been captured by this government.
This devilish government.
Today, EFCC are proving beyond reasonable doubt that they are now arms of APC.
Against the youth of
Police have
Nigeria.
done that already. It's an established fact that people will be threatening Nigerians. I've been telling them that if they do anything, that they will kill them and nothing will happen.
Ghana government give me VDM. Nigerian government give me VDM. Give me VDM. EFCC give me VDM. Give me VDM. I don't get another brother. I don't get another brother. Mother give me VDM. Mother give me VDM. I don't get another brother. Mother give me VDM. Give me VDM. Give me VDM. Give me VDM.
The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC for one of their social media portals come here and say true them really arrest Martins innocent Otse where everybody sabi as VeryDarkMan VDM after them detain him on May 2nd, 2025. Then talk say them carry and sake of say he no answer plenty invites where then give him to come respond to the serious story where concern financial wahala. The custody add say the arrest no get anything to do with the kind way VDM they always criticize them for public. EFCC call those talk where VDM they yarn unguided attacks and say other law enforcement agencies fit still look into them separately. EFCC come here and say them they hold VDM under lawful court order and them don't give him administrative bail, but now if he fit meet all the conditions where they follow the bail. The come still assure Naija people say them still they investigate the matter wella and as everything clear them go charge them for court proper. They come also talk say them sabi say Naija people they watch the matter closely, but them they beg say make people allow them do their work well without wahala. This Abuja we no go gree waka don't join other plenty we no go gree waka wey don shele for Naija before. Una go remember say for 2024 we no go gree people storm EFCC office. They shout make them open back investigation wey concern former Zamfara State Governor Bello Matawalle. Them accuse EFCC say them they abandon corruption case wey involve big men. Una go also remember one we no go gree waka wey shele for Ibadan where youths park come here and say EFCC they arrest people anyhow and say them not they happy with how EFCC they do their work. All this wahala show say Naija people they shine eye they look EFCC work well and many people they question the way them they operate. As everything they go, EFCC and the people wey come out for the we no go gree waka all they beg say make everything follow law and make justice reign well for ground. Make una not forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesali, TMC News.